Hello everyone. Well, we all have stress, but at some extent. If the symptoms of stress becomes regular, it leads to the depression. Firstly, many of us cannot identify the stress. Let's talk about the symptoms. These symptoms does not seems like a symptoms, but they are. You should identify them and you need to encounter and manage your stress. Firstly, symptoms of stress. There will be large change in their behavior, eating too much or too less, sleeping too less or too more, feeling lonely, irritable, and they cannot able to concentrate on anything. They cannot judge anyone, anxious and constantly worrying. The increased stage of stress can also cause you ache, diarrhea, rapid heartbeat and even heart diseases. Hence, we need to be very cautious about this and we need to manage it very easily by some following small strategies. I want to share a 10 strategies to reduce your stress level and manage it. The first strategy was examine ourselves. We need to spend at least 2 to 3 minutes to think about our whole day. What happens this day? Is I'm happy? I'm stressed. If I'm stressed, what were the reasons? We need to find out. You might ask me, what happens when we find out the reason? We can target the problem and solve it. Like if someone is stressed on too much project handling, the yoga can't help them. They need to learn time management to reduce their stress level. Other way, stressed because of something not successful. They can the time learning time management cannot help them. Relaxing can help them. The next strategy was focusing on ultimate result. Means why you need to work, the purpose of the work. You need to examine that and you need to keep in the mind that purpose and you need to work on it. For suppose I am giving an example. If there is a cricket match, the ultimate purpose was to win the match. The first ball can be a 1 run, 2 run, or 6. But the ultimate purpose, the end position of the match, the performance of the whole match defines a success. Hence, when you keep the end position in your mind, you'll get a confidence that yes, that is my end position. I'll solve this problem and reach there. You can really be very confident and very happy and manage your stress easily by looking at your end position, ultimate position, not the problem you have now. Most important strategy to manage our stress is to learn time management. How to learn time management? How we can manage our time? Just I'll give a simple trick to solve your problem about time management. Firstly, note down all the things you remember that you should complete this day. And it may be a project submission, exam preparation, a mailing to someone, chatting with your friend, meeting a friend. There can be many things you need to do the whole day. And divide your daily schedule into two parts. The first is the important and the second one is non-urgent things. For suppose I have given a 4 examples like exam preparation, mailing to someone, meeting a friend and watching TV. What are the non-urgent things here? Meeting a friend can be done anytime. You can also ignore watching TV also. Remove the non-urgent things from your schedule. Hence, you can manage your time for the important things. In this way, you can manage your time very easily by noting them in a diary. Next important thing we need to keep in our mind is communication skills. Communication skills means not speaking English or any language fluently or perfectly. Speaking properly and appropriate to the situation is called the communication skills. We need to speak in a comfortable way, hence, the others should not be hurted by our reply. Either we need to convince them or we need to request them. This is called as the communication skills. To handle our stress, we need to have good communication skills. Why I am saying is, if you ignore in time management, I have said ignore all unurgent things. If you ignore the friend's request, then your relation with your friend can be affected by this problem. Hence, you need to convince your friend that yes, I am involved in this project, I am too busy, hence I cannot attend that meeting or cannot attend movie. Please excuse me. You need to convince in a very pleasing way. Hence, your friend need to understand your situation, and he'll really it will really helps you a lot if you have a good communication skills. The good communication skills helps to reduce your stress levels too. The next strategy was to handle our negative thoughts. While when we get the negative thoughts, think the positive happen to you. Calculate the probability of positive happen to you. For example, if you have if you are preparing for an exam, and if you really want to watch a movie and you watch the movie for 3 hours, and after watching the movie you will get a one thought that yes, I have wasted the 3 hours of time and I'll fail in the exam. The, but think in a different perspective. You have 24 hours of time and you wasted 3 hours, and the 21 hours was a good day. The 21 hours was really happy. You are really happy. You cannot say for the 3 hours, you cannot say the whole day was bad. You need to calculate its probability, and you can easily gain control on your negative thoughts. 5 sense organs you have can affect your stress levels. Firstly, you can manage your stress by using your sense organs. When we talk about eyes, sight, look at your childhood photos or memories, plant a tree, enjoy the beauty of nature, seeing your favorite movie, cartoon channels, and funny videos, etc., can help you reduce your stress. When it comes to smell, using your favorite perfume, enjoy clean and fresh air in a garden can help you to reduce your stress. By touch, try to wear your favorite dress, jewels, etc. If you have a pet, try to spend more time with it and you can manage your stress. And taste. Chewing gum can help you to reduce your stress. Eat a dark chocolate and eat the food you enjoy. Drink the coffee, tea, or anything relaxing cool drinks, and eat the ripened fruits. And this can really helps you to come out of the stress. Next thing is you need to feel gratitude. You need to thank your God, your mother, your father for whatever you have at now. If you have a phone, you need to be very thankful that you can watch this video. If you have a smartphone and you're spending some time to relax. You need to be thankful for every gift you have in your life. Hence, this gives a confidence that I have these many things in my life and I can handle the stress. Hence, I advise you to count all the gifts you have in your life. Hence, it really works a lot to come out of the stress. Next important thing was sleep. If you have stress, we cannot sleep. But if you are tired, the body releases hormones to get sleep. But in the case of stress, we cannot sleep because the situation we are stressed rotates in our mind. Hence, we need to shut down, close down all the things, all the plans that rotates in your mind and schedule them for the next day. Just think a moment. If you think the whole night and escape your sleep, and can you end up a solution to a problem? In most of the cases, I say no. While going to the bed, just think that this day is completed and I have done my part. Whatever the problems, whatever the situations I have, I need to focus on the sleep now. Whatever the problems I have, I'll see tomorrow. Hence, by this thought, you can get sleep easily. I'm going to say you the foods that affect our stress levels: eggs, and the fish, the salmon, any type of fish, and the ripened fruits can decrease your stress level, especially banana, and the dark chocolates can reduce your stress level. And using a stress ball also can helps you to reduce your stress level. And enjoying the nature, the sunset, the can also help you to get out of the stress, and it really helps a lot. And sports also plays a crucial role in management of stress. Hence, at least invest 30 minutes of time for the sports. Hence, you can come out of the stress. Hope you all love this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and please click on the bell icon for the further notifications of our video. Thank you.